Should you write a book? Turn that book into at least 6 figures extra income for yourself. You need a kick-ass message. It's got to be killer. Solving a problem, providing them with an outcome that they want. A book that's yours, about you, in your voice, but using artificial intelligence to help you do some of the heavy lifting. I'm telling you, it's possible, it's doable, you can do it.
Welcome to the Thought Leader Revolution with Nicky. Join the revolution. There's never been a better time in history to speak your truth, find your freedom, and make your fortune. Each week, we interview the world's top thought leaders and learn the secrets of how they built a 6 to 7 figure practice. This episode has been brought to you by eCircleacademy.com, the proven system to add 6 to 7 figures a year to your thought leader practice.
Welcome to another exciting episode of the podcast, The Thought Leader Revolution. I'm your host, Nicky. And boy, do we have another exciting episode of our legendary Thought Leader Nuggets for you. Today is Thought Leader Nugget number 123. And guess what we're doing? We're talking about books. First of all, should you write a book? The answer is yes. Only if you have a good plan to turn that book into at least 6 figures extra income for yourself in the next 6 months or less. Number one. And in order to do that, you need a kick-ass message. It's got to be killer. And I mean killer. Number two, you need to have a clear target market, an avatar that you're going after. That is what you've got to have, and that is what you've got to do. And number three, and I'm telling you, number three, you got to be good at writing. You got to be able to put a good book together with a really powerful message. Because if you can't do that, you are in trouble. Trouble. You know what I'm talking about? 100% you know what I'm talking about. So, let's get right into this, okay? Why am I somebody you ought to listen to when it comes to books? Well, first of all, I'm 56 years old. I've read over 4,000 books. I've written and published 10. I got number 11 and 12 coming up. And I've spent the better part of the last decade helping people just like you, other coaches, consultants, experts, entrepreneurs, monetize their message. And by doing so, put 6 to 7 to even 8 figures into your pocket. And here's the deal. I've written books. In my very first book, Finish Line Thinking, How to Think and Win Like a Champion, that book earned me over $1 million. How? Well, because I knew how to monetize my message. And you got to learn how to monetize your message. So what is your message? Well, your message has got to be about solving a problem for a group of people that have a problem that they care about solving. It's got to be about providing them with an outcome that they want. Period, full stop, end of story. Once you got that, then you got to get this book in their hands and you got to help drive up the pain of their current situation so that they go, yeah, I need to do something about this. And you got to show that you're the one who can help them get a result. You do that, you're going to rock it. You're going to crush it. You're going to do really well. You're going to sell like crazy. Okay. But you might be thinking to yourself, hold on, Nicky, I don't know how to write. I'm not a good writer. I suck at writing. Do you really suck at writing? I get it. Do you not have the ability to put a book together? Are you thinking, man, it's going to take me like 120 hours, 500 hours to write a book? Well, you're right. It just might. But you know what? There's something that you don't know. Today is 2023. That part you did know. But what you don't know is that today you can leverage something called artificial intelligence to help you do all sorts of things, including write a book. And if you leverage artificial intelligence and you do it properly, i.e., you can't just go in and have the entire book written by artificial intelligence with none of you in it, because Amazon will catch you doing that and they'll cancel you and cancel your ability to ever get a book on Amazon again. But if you understand that and you get it done in the fashion that I'm talking about, i.e., you use artificial intelligence to help you take content you already know and just expand on it and write it, and then you've got to edit it and rewrite it and put your own personal stories into it. Man, you've got something powerful and good, and you can get it done in 3 to 10 hours. In 3 to 10 hours, you can have a real book, a book that's yours, that's about you in your voice, but using artificial intelligence to help you do some of the heavy lifting, and you will have a book. And if you're going, Nicky, this sounds too good to be true, I got to tell you something. I'm doing a free workshop on August 30th showing you exactly how to do this. You're going to walk in with a great idea, and you're going to walk out at least with the first draft of your book. And I'll give you a game plan for how to take it to a book that will pass muster on Amazon. Okay, and we will also marry it to a powerful message that you have out there and use that message to help you stand out from the crowd and effortlessly attract clients and make money. And I'm telling you, it's possible, it's doable, you can do it. If you're interested, then you're going to have to click on a link in the show notes to register for this free workshop where we're going to show you how to do that. It's on August 30th. So take advantage of this free workshop, August 30th. Make it happen for yourself, okay? We're going to make sure that we send you the link. So you make sure that you do this. You sign up for this so you can get the first draft of your book done. You'll learn how to monetize that book. You'll learn how to make 6 figures from it. And you can get yourself set up to turn that book into something that you can take on to Amazon and use to generate an extra 6 figures in the next 6 months for yourself. Don't delay. Don't wait. Sign up for this event. You're going to want to. It's free. What have you got to lose? And I'm telling you, a good book with a good message can be a game changer for you, just like a podcast. All right, if this was valuable to you, give us a like, give us a rating, give us a review. If you know somebody who needs to hear about this, definitely share this with them. Thank you. God bless you. I really love and appreciate you. I believe in you, the entrepreneur, because you are the man, you are the woman who has a dream, a big dream. You believe in the majesty of your dream, and you are willing to fight for it to make it come alive. And it's because of you that all progress in our world happens. Baloo out. Bye-bye.
This episode has been brought to you by eCircleAcademy.com, the proven system to add 6 to 7 figures a year to your thought leader practice.